music. I went on YouTube. I watched the music video. That's what they're saying. It's censored. Then I heard the uncensored version, and I heard wet ass pussy, and I went, oh my God. I am a special kind of dumb. I'm a special kind of stupid, and well, I mean, shouldn't the song have been called Wag? But obviously, the completely 100% better version of that is WAP. Because wet ass pussy sounds way better than, you know, what censorship people want it to sound like. I'm upset. I'm upset that I heard the censored version first. But I'm not upset at the song itself. Fucking smash. Fucking smash. I sound like an A&R, but I'm just being honest. Song's really good. Just don't like censored stuff. That WAP for being a censored song, that shit sounded perfectly fine to me. Then I heard the uncensored, and I was taken to another planet. I don't know how the fuck I didn't catch wet ass pussy. So, you know. Oh, we're not talking about that. No, we're not gonna do that. I'm trying to have a positive live. We're not talking about that. I know what you guys are trying. I'm not doing that. FCC really does kill the vibe sometimes. WAP should make the talks of Congress today. Thanks. I'm glad you guys like Freak. Song's been out for 20,000 years. Hi, Amala Kitty. No, I'm double negative tested. I'm super negative. I so don't have corona right now. I'm extremely negative. I'm so negative right now. Hey, you guys, I love you. My phone's about to die. I'm on the last little drip drop of juice on my phone. I love you. I don't know if you can hear me, but I love you guys. I gotta go. Bye. Bye, love you, bye.